Hey, this is Derek with OCDGonein7days.com. I'd like to welcome you inside of the site, congratulating you on downloading the either free video or ebook that you're going to get in about 10 minutes in your inbox. But in the meantime, I'd like to tell you about a one-time offer. You're never going to see this page again. This page is full of all my programs. Each one of them is sold for either $97 or $197 a piece or more. Okay? And on my site I sell them for $97, but on this page only you'll be able to get it for 50% off. You'll be able to get everything. It's over $700, has $700 worth of value for only $47. So I invite you to go down this page, read about each program, and how I'm going to do it is this. You download everything for $47. If you're not completely satisfied within 90 days, I'll go and give you a full refund, and you'll be able to keep everything as my free gift for you just for trying it out. Okay, so you really can't lose there. So at the end of the day, I invite you to either watch this video again, scroll down, read about the products. The way that I approach OCD is very different. You might think, well, maybe he's talking about exposure response therapy or cognitive behavioral therapy or pills or drugs. None of that stuff really works. And you're going to be very surprised at how I approach OCD, which is very unconventional and very different. And you'd know this reading some of my articles. You'll realize quite quickly that I do things very differently. So I invite you to go ahead and read down this page, check out the products. This is the only time you'll be able to get it at this price. You can't email me later saying, hey, can you give me the $47 price? You have to be able to get it right now on this page, and you'll be very happy with it, and you won't have to pay the 97 bucks. You can keep that $50, which will probably fill your tank. With gas prices these days, that'll definitely help you out. So I invite you to look, just scroll down the page, read about all the products, and give it a try. Like I said, you have a money-back guarantee in 90 days. If you're not completely satisfied for any reason, just send me an email at myocdhelp@gmail.com or call me at 321-961-8732, and all that information will be below. And I'll process a refund for you, no questions asked, and you'll be able to keep all of the ebooks and everything you see on this page for free as my gift to you. And what you're getting is over 500 pages worth of stuff, 30 videos, and 20 PDF files. So I really encourage you to take advantage of this offer. You'll save 50 bucks, which is very helpful in these times. Alright, so I look forward to seeing you in the members area, and God bless.